Alrighty guys, welcome back to Wednesday, October 8th trade recap. I was unfortunately not able to take a trade today because I was taking a calculus test, but we can go back and replay the trade today. So let's get a little bit of bias going on. So as you guys can see in the 1 minute, we are bearish, trying to flip bullish. We just took out this strong high here, and we also took out this. So we're seeing a lot of bullish order flow starting to step into the market here. If we look at the new week opening gap, this right here is the new week opening gap. So, we can always trade to that. So that's bullish. But on all of the higher time frames, we are ultimately bullish. As you guys can see, we came down here and tapped into this, should be a 4 hour fair value gap, and got a nice bullish move out of there. It could be a daily fair value gap, actually. No, we didn't tap into it. No, it didn't go low enough. But we tapped into a 4 hour fair value gap. We also, by the way, this whole candle was after market open. So market open, we were somewhere in this range. So we actually do have a fat 4 hour fair value gap here as well. So on the higher time frame, as you guys can see here, we are pretty bearish with this as our drawn liquidity. We're creating big time bearish fair value gaps, which doesn't mean too much at all-time highs. And as you guys can see, we did end up breaking all-time highs today. But you guys will just you can take that as a nice little high time frame thing. So anyways, let's replay back to market open. So no, I want to start a new one. There we go. Thank you. All right, so as you guys can see here, market opens, and don't want to have anything marked out yet. So market opens, we immediately get a big push to the upside, creating some 1 minute fair value gaps. Let's see here. Yeah, so we have now filled this 1 minute fair value gap. And now that we've filled this, I was honestly wanting so my low time frame bias was bullish, because the order flow here is bullish, and we just took this out, but I was really hoping this could be an internal liquidity sweep and we could go lower, just looking at this back. But yeah, we have this fair value gap, this gap. So these 3 1 minute fair value gaps. Let's see if we have a 3 minute. Okay, we do. So it kind of aligns with that 1 minute. So let's see what we have going here. So as you guys can see, we're respecting bullish order flow, which really we could easily flip our bias here to bullish in the short term if we can get a break above this line right here for a change in state of direction. And as you guys can see, we definitely get that break. So we can enter, you could have entered on the candle closure, but what's preferable if you can go down to the 30-second time frame is just have this execution on the 30-second time frame, and then you don't get filled all the way up here. You can kind of get filled somewhere in here. So 30-second CISD would have been 30-second time frame. I don't know if I said minute or second, but I meant second. So let's just say we wanted to do the 1 minute, which would be okay. Right there. Probably would have gotten filled somewhere in this range. So for your stop loss, you just created so you don't know this at the time because, this hasn't been formed yet, the third candle hasn't been formed. But you can run it at this swing low, honestly. And then, let's see what kind of targets we have. A 1-to-1 here would have been ideal, but, let's go ahead and we'll buy on our paper trading as well. So, we've got, on the 5-minute, all of this is just a straight dump off, but we do have some liquidity right here that we can take out. So for a lot more of an ambitious trade, you could go for that. I would highly recommend for this continuation model just a 1-to-1, but just for fun, we can set it up there. It's like a 1-to-7. So we'll buy here 100 units, stop loss, take profit. Okay, so obviously we got filled way lower because we're rewinding, so it's not going to be perfect, but I don't mind getting filled lower for longs. So dip back down to the 1 minute and get this crap off of my screen. And yeah, let's just see if it'll play out. So we tapped, so we are showing a lot of bullish confluences on the lower time frame, and we're expecting bullish gaps. So that's kind of leading me to be bullish on the day. Not so much on the day, but for now, yes. As you guys can see, we end up coming down, taking this support from this 1 minute fair value gap, and that allows it to push back up higher. So here you can trail your stop to the swing low of that. Oh yeah, let's confirm this. That way my TP works and everything. So we get some chop, fill in this 1 minute. We're still respecting bullish order flow. Still running, and boom, we hit our take profit. So, really what would have been ideal would have been a 1-to-1 right here. That back tested is like the only, 1-to-1 is the most surefire way to trade like this. But as you guys can see, we did end up hitting this draw, and that would have just been extra, but I would have personally taken the 1-to-1. That just looks better on paper. Not the 1-to-1, but the 1-to-6 does. But yeah, that's pretty well the trade recap for the day. Ended up being super bullish on the day, took out all-time highs. I was initially bearish actually, until we had a bearish 15-minute SMT in that 4-hour gap. Internet is not doing so great today, but yeah, see, check this out. Hop on over to the 5-minute. Yeah, my internet is bugging right now. Oh yeah, we are up there. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you guys could learn something from this. And if you want to trade like me, you can go check out my video completely for free that I have teaching you guys how to trade this continuation model. Yeah, so the continuation model is a little bit different, but this was more of a complex way of trading. But if you guys are new to trading, I highly, highly, highly recommend that continuation model and momentum model. It is so stupid simple, and it's actually 2 for 2 this week. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and go check out those other videos and go make money.